particularly to the members of Yazidi and Kurdish communities. At the same time, I want to express my admiration for the fight of people's and women's protection units and of Syria's democratic forces. Your fight was and still is on behalf of all the humanity. The fight against ISIS terrorism is not finished. First of all, we must prosecute the terrorists and we must compensate the victims and their families. The international community must assume its own responsibilities. That's why I support the idea of creating an international court. An international public trial for ISIS terrorists would be very important, not only for justice, but for the fight against terrorism. Not only terrorists, but also their supporters and their lenders. At the same time, we must look to the future. We want peace and we want stability for Syria and for the region. Peace must be based on respect for ethnic and religious differences and on rejection of all fundamentalism and intolerance. That's why I think that a confederal structure for a new Syria must be considered. It's time to recognize the rights of Kurds living in the different countries of the region. The election of Ekrem İmamoğlu as a new mayor of Istanbul represents a great event. I cannot but remember he was fired from professor of university because he signed for peace with Kurdish people. Intolerance and fundamentalism can be defeated. He must go home. Thank you. My best wishes again for your forum, for new success, for peace, for freedom, for Kurdish people. Thank you.